Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to update your email address in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. One of them is the community, where you can click on the plus button to click on the posts and post something that you want. Or we can go and just click on the search bar to see some other people's posts. We also have the jobs, where guys, you can see that you can find your perfect job. So you can enter the job name there and the location and click search to find some jobs. Also, we have companies where you can find a workplace that works for you. So this basically is a new feature. If you have an employer in mind, you can go and search for a company by typing the name here and clicking on the search button. Also, we have the salaries, where you can see, are you paid fairly? So basically, you can go and find out if you have been paid fairly by typing the job name here. And now guys, let's see how you can update your email address in Glassdoor. It's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So when you're on your Glassdoor screen, when you're here on this first page, you just need to go to the top right corner of your profile and see your profile picture. As you can see here, click on profile. Then when you're here, you have all information about your profile. So you can see your full name, job title, and everything, location. And then you just need to go to account settings. Here you can go and change your current password and email, and that's how you can do it, guys. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.